It's me. I know I've kind of been MIA for a little bit. My lipstick is like all over the place, and it's late. And you know I'm tired if I'm saying but I just wanted to share some highs from today and give y'all something to think about. Cancer is a hard disease. It's a hard disease. It's an expensive disease. It takes from you physically, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, if you let it. But I am so proud of my hero, my husband. He has been taking everything that has been thrown at him like a champ. He's had some very hard days. Days where it looked like, well, they were just hard. But he is determined to fight. And I'm determined to fight with him. So although I haven't really said much, he's been more of the vocal piece. I really just want to thank every single person. If I can't get to your phone calls, if I can't return a text or a Facebook message, please forgive me. Please forgive me. As you can see by my eyeballs, I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired, but I'm not tired of fighting. So I thank you for being in this fight with us. It means so much. Every time we get an encouraging word, every time we get a scripture, every time someone just says, hey, what do you need? Can I pray for you? Because at this time, that's the main thing we need is prayer. And so I thank you for every single prayer, every single penny donated, every thought that you send our way. We appreciate it. For those of you who think it can't happen to you, I'm a health coach, y'all. I'm a health coach. Cancer, and I'm going to be doing a Q&A on this later on, I'm so sure, one day. But for now, cancer shows up 6 to 12 years before you ever see the symptom. So although I'm a health coach now, 6 to 12 years ago, I was not. And that had a drastic effect on my husband and the way he lived his life and the way he lives his life now. I firmly believe that he's able to fight as hard as he's fighting because he made that lifestyle change, both spiritually and physically. So I want you to think about you right now, your health. Your 6 to 12 years could start today. Your body is a temple. Treat it as such. Feed it as such. Do not take any moment for granted because you are not granted the next one. So again, I thank you. I thank you for being in our corner. I thank you for believing with us. And for those of you, yes, I have to put it out there, for those of you who send messages to my husband that state, well, you know, maybe it's your time, maybe God's calling you home, please save those messages. This man's in it for the fight, and he does not need anything deterring him from that fight. I know you mean well, but please, we appreciate your prayers to the positive because we rely on every single promise that God has given us. And God said that he will not die, that he would live to tell his story in the land of the living. Land of the living, and that's what we're holding on to. So again, thank you again, and again. We love you, we appreciate you, and we look forward to the testimony that my husband is going to have in the glory of Jesus Christ. Amen.